Chapter 8. Practical Reinvention. Reinvention after 40 is an exciting and empowering journey. A chance to reimagine your life, try new careers, explore hobbies, start businesses, and build a future that truly aligns with your evolving identity. However, the thought of making these changes can often feel daunting, especially when you worry about losing the stability you've worked so hard to establish. The key to practical reinvention is finding ways to explore new opportunities and passions without sacrificing the stability you need. It's about balancing risk with practicality, creativity with structure, and adventure with responsibility. In this chapter, we'll explore how to embrace reinvention in a way that energizes you, provides fulfillment, and secures your long-term stability. We'll also break down step-by-step strategies for designing your next decade, one that is purposeful, vibrant, and full of opportunities. Trying new careers, hobbies, or businesses without losing stability. As you begin to explore new directions, there's often a fear of leaving behind the security of your current job, income, or lifestyle. The good news is that reinvention doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing leap. You can take gradual steps to explore new careers, businesses, or hobbies while maintaining the stability of your current situation. Here's how you can embrace reinvention without losing your footing. 1. Transition, don't abruptly shift. If you're considering a career change or starting a new business, begin with a gradual transition. Start small by dedicating a few hours per week to exploring your new interests. For instance, if you're interested in a new career, look for part-time or freelance opportunities that allow you to dip your toes into the field without quitting your current job. If you want to start a business, begin with a side hustle that doesn't demand your full attention or financial commitment at the outset. 2. Develop a financial cushion. Financial stability is often the biggest concern when reinventing yourself. If you're planning a major change, consider building a financial cushion first. Save up a few months of living expenses, or create a financial safety net that gives you peace of mind while you explore new opportunities. 3. Leverage transferable skills. Many of the skills you've developed over the years are transferable to new careers or ventures. Take inventory of your strengths, leadership, communication, problem-solving, and management skills, and think about how they can be applied in different contexts. Reinvention doesn't mean starting from scratch. It means using what you already know to build something new. 4. Test and tinker. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start small, test new ideas, and make adjustments as you go. Whether it's testing a new career path through internships or taking a creative hobby like painting or writing to the next level, it's important to treat your reinvention process like an experiment rather than a final destination. This approach reduces the pressure and makes the process feel more manageable. 5. Stay flexible and adaptable. Your first attempt at reinvention might not be the right fit. That's okay. Embrace failure and learn from it. Each step, whether it's a success or a lesson, is progress. Adapt to the feedback you receive and keep tweaking your approach until you find the perfect fit. Travel, creativity, volunteering, building a life that energizes you. One of the most invigorating aspects of reinvention is the opportunity to focus on what truly energizes you. As you break free from the grind of everyday life, you open yourself up to experiences that can recharge your mind, body, and soul. Whether it's through travel, creativity, volunteering, or other pursuits, creating a life that excites you requires intentionality and exploration. Here's how to start building a more energized life. 1. Travel for inspiration and growth. Travel isn't just about escaping your everyday life. It's about discovering new perspectives, cultures, and ways of living. Traveling gives you the opportunity to explore the world outside your comfort zone, which can spark creativity and broaden your horizons. Plan trips that inspire and challenge you. Whether it's a backpacking adventure, a cultural immersion, or a creative retreat, traveling exposes you to new ideas that can feed your reinvention journey. Use travel as a way to reconnect with yourself. Solo trips or nature retreats, for instance, offer the space for reflection, self-discovery, and creative inspiration. 2. Nurture your creative side. Rediscovering creativity is an essential part of reinvention. Whether it's painting, writing, dancing, or photography, engaging with creative pursuits helps you express yourself and unlock new avenues for self-fulfillment. You don't need to be a professional artist to benefit from creativity. It's the process, not the product, that matters most. Set aside regular time for creative expression. Even if it's just 30 minutes a day, this time will nourish your soul and provide an outlet for the ideas and emotions that are bubbling to the surface. Experiment with different forms of creativity. Take up hobbies you've never tried before. You might surprise yourself with how much you enjoy something new. 3. Give back through volunteering. Volunteering is one of the most fulfilling ways to connect with your community and add a deeper sense of purpose to your life. Whether it's mentoring, working with local charities, or supporting global causes, giving back enriches both your life and the lives of others. Find volunteer opportunities that resonate with your values. Giving back in a way that aligns with your passions makes the experience even more rewarding. Volunteering not only benefits others, but it also provides an opportunity for personal growth. It can introduce you to new people, teach you new skills, and connect you with others who share your desire to make an impact. Step-by-step plans for designing your next decade. Once you've decided to reinvent yourself, it's time to turn your vision into a concrete plan. Designing your next decade requires clarity, strategy, and a commitment to taking consistent action. Below is a step-by-step process to help you map out the next phase of your life. Step 1. Define your vision. What do you want your life to look like in 5, 10, or 20 years? Visualize where you want to be in both your personal and professional life. Do you want to travel more? Start a business? Write a book? Focus on health and wellness? Whatever it is, get clear on your big-picture vision for the future. Step 2. Set your priorities. What is most important to you right now? Prioritize the areas of your life that align most with your new purpose. This could mean spending more time with family, focusing on a creative passion, or pursuing a new career. Be specific about your priorities and how you'll balance them. Step 3. Break your vision into smaller goals. What can you do this year, this month, and this week to move closer to your vision? Break down your long-term vision into achievable, bite-sized goals. For example, if your goal is to start a new business, your first step might be researching the market or setting up your business plan. If your goal is to travel more, your first step might be booking your first trip or finding a travel blog that inspires you. Step 4. Create a timeline. When do you want to achieve each goal? Having a timeline helps you stay on track and motivated. Set deadlines for each goal and break them into smaller, manageable tasks. Remember, flexibility is key, but a clear timeline will help guide your progress. Step 5. Take action consistently. What daily or weekly habits will you need to adopt? Consistent action is the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. Commit to a routine or habit that moves you forward. Whether it's dedicating time to learning a new skill, working on your side business, or carving out time for self-care, small consistent steps lead to big results. Step 6. Review and adjust regularly. How often will you evaluate your progress? Regularly assess your progress and make adjustments where needed. Life doesn't always go according to plan, and that's okay. Be open to shifting your goals or strategies based on what you learn along the way.